Good afternoon. My name is Aman Varma. I'm the General Manager, Marketing and Sales of JHS Svendgaard. Being a part of the JHS family, led by Mr. Nikhil Nanda, we are proud to be associated with CMPL. It's a big platform, and I think the recognition we have received in this platform will take us way above the other competitors. And I personally feel this recognition will help us grow further and to expand our brand. Well, we are into oral care, as I've said. That private label is our bread and butter. We are doing toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, and talcum for various brands in the country. Dabur, Patanjali, Leeford, Zydus being one of them. We are the only suppliers of KIKO toothbrush and toothpaste, which is a very big kids brand in India. Well, I believe that this is a right platform for all of us, because of which we can get that recognition. We can much, much further.